This notification is not coming on the drop down menu, and I can show you how you can proceed. First, sometimes you face that you are not able to receive a WhatsApp notification or a message notification, even your mobile phone data is turning on. Sometimes you feel that your phone is in idle mode and you are not receiving a WhatsApp notification. Sometimes you feel that ultra power data saving mode is on, but you are not receiving any notification. I can tell you what you need to do to perform all these things. First, you have to go to settings, go to application manager, applications, then go to application manager. Then you have to scroll your finger from left to right, and this all tab, you can simply go to WhatsApp application. The moment you open the WhatsApp application, you see there is a bar, a show notification. If this bar is unchecked, that means you are not supposed to be receive a notification, and if that bar is turning on, check on, then you are able to receive a notification in the notification bar. First point. Second point, if you are not receiving the WhatsApp notification or a messages, then you have to go to settings. There is a second option, data usage. Click on that, then there is a tab more. Once you click on this more button, there is a restricted background data, as you have seen it. It states that restricted background data will stop some application and services from working unless device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. That means, like, if you're turning on and your mobile data is turned on whenever you are not at your home or office, that time you are not supposed to be receive a WhatsApp application notification. But right now you are able to receive a notification because it is not enabled. Moreover, if you check, there is another option. As you have seen in Samsung mobile phone, there is an option called ultra data saving mode. The moment you turn on the ultra data saving mode, there is a disclaimer which has been come. Now you have seen the ultra data saving mode has been turning on. It gives you a 6 application exemption. Means over here, if you want to add that this particular application can consume your data when your phone is in idle mode while turning on this, then you have to select any application over in these blocks to allow application to consume your data when your device in idle mode. Thank you.